If you want to learn how to weld exhaust pipe in your garage, check this out. One thing to remember, you don't want to weld constantly. What's going to happen is it's going to get too hot on this thin metal and it's going to burn through. You're going to have a lot of burn throughs. I'm going to stop and go, stop and go, stop and go. So I'm letting it cool for just a second and then starting back up. That's going to control the heat a lot better. Now that we got everything tacked up, everything is lined up, now we can go ahead and start welding. Just like that, we have it welded. Now your car will either sound better or louder, whichever you prefer.